In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to install XAMPP and set up a local WordPress development site. The first step is to download and install the XAMPP software. The Windows installer file is available from Apache friends. It's a large file. So, depending on your connection, it could take a minute. When the download is complete, run the file. To activate the XAMPP installer. If you have antivirus software, you may receive a warning message. To proceed, simply select Yes. You may also be prompted about user account control depending on your Windows configuration. Just keep going with that prompt as well. On the following screen, you may select which components to install and press the Next button. You can now choose where to install XAMPP and press the Next button. Step 2. Start the modules and test your server to correctly install XAMPP. You will need to run two modules, Apache and MySQL. You should now be able to test the functionality of your local server by opening your favorite web browser and typing localhost/dashboard and clicking enter. A welcome message will appear here.